We built this putting green in Mount Sinai, New York. We installed putting green grass and created a 12-inch fringe all around the putting green. We installed 4 flags with the cups. This putting green has been built for the Plymouth Estates, which is a gated community. People are very happy with the putting green and making lots of use of it. This is the latest sports court putting green installation done by Gappsi in Mount Sinai, New York.